Hi guys, welcome to my video. Now I will read the second chapter of the story The Little Giant of Aoba Josai by author 99 Green Bottles. If you are interested in reading it, please visit the AO3. The link is in the description box, so enjoy! When Karasuno arrived, the tension had increased. Where was Oikawa when you need him to calm the nerve of everyone? He was off with an injured ankle. Hinata was warming up with the other team member when Kageyama entered along with the rest of Karasuno. Now, Hinata wanted to be on the court instead of the sideline. Kageyama was surprised when he saw the small red head who he vaguely remembered from the tournament in junior high. But he knew that the bread was probably a bench warmer and nothing else. The first set went well for Aoba Josai, but things were getting tough for them. Come to the second set. Damn it! Where did Kageyama get the drop of teamwork from? Kindaichi complained. Unfortunately for Aoba Josai, Karasuno won the second set. Oikawa-senpai! Hinata called out when he noticed Oikawa entered the gym. About time! Both their coach and Iwaizumi muttered under their breath. Both Karasuno and Aoba Josai were in the 20 when Oikawa had finished warming up, ready for his service ace. Aoba Josai Karasuno 22-21. Oikawa served again. Sawamura received the ball and passed it to Kageyama, who set it to Tanaka. Tanaka spiked the ball. Watari tried to keep it up in the air but he fell. Aoba Josai called for a timeout. I say we put Hinata in, Oikawa suggests. Not as a decoy, but for our freakish quick. We are counting on you, Kindaichi said as he swept at Hinata. Don't worry, just trust in me to bring the best out of you, Oikawa said as he pulled a peace sign. The serve was received and passed to Oikawa, who set it perfectly for Hinata, who ran at his top speed. The sound of the ball slamming down on the floor echoed throughout the gym. Karasuno called a timeout. Just who is that kid? Exclaimed Sugawara. And why did they wait until now to put him on? Maybe he can only spike like that when Oikawa is setting? And Noshita suggests. Like a pin spiker, Mr. Takeda said. There's not really such a thing like a pin spiker, Mr. Takeda, Sawamura said. Meanwhile, Hinata was celebrating his first successful spike. Calm down, Shorty Pie. You will get plenty more of those to come, Oikawa said. Hinata looked over to Kindaichi. One more, Hinata! Kindaichi called out. Oikawa smirked. A rally had been going on for a while. When Oikawa signaled for Hinata to run, Hinata and Iwaizumi began to run at the same time. With Hinata reaching the net before the latter, Oikawa set the ball for Iwaizumi. Hinata felt the emptiness in his hand and opened his eyes. Had he missed? Hinata quickly saw all of Karasuno rushing to receive the ball from the other side of the court. Well done, Hinata! Kunimi said supportively. You were the best player we could. In that moment, Hinata felt a different kind of happiness to when he had spiked the ball himself. Was this what it was like to play in a team? He only had the tournament last year to go, and that was a team to compare to a team like Aoba Josai. That was incredible, Iwaizumi! Hinata said excitedly. Why does Jokawa got to be called senpai and I don't? Iwaizumi grumbled. At least we are at set point now. We can turn it around, Karasuno! Sawamura shouted. Karasuno did not turn it around. Matsukawa got the final point and Aoba Josai won the practice game. We won! Hinata was ready to thank Oikawa for believing in him, but he had already gone off to his pen goals. Hinata walked to Kageyama. Next time, I'll be a starter and I'll make sure you lost in strike set. Wow, look at Hinata go, making the declaration already. Kindaichi said as he and Kunimi walked up to Hinata. Don't worry, Karasuno, it's just a practice game. Besides, he's returning, Sawamura said. Next time, we'll block the number 8 and his practically fast quick, Sugawara added. Thank you for watching and listening to my video. I'm sorry if my English is messy. I'm not native speaker. See you on the next video. Bye!